So I'm just kind of doing a quick scientific study on the origins of matter in the universe, and I know that some of my atheist brethren will hopefully applaud this effort, or perhaps they'll laugh at it, but either way. So I'm reading about the Big Bang, and this actually makes sense because we can sort of track how galaxies are moving, and the universe is expanding, and the galaxies on the outer edges of the universe are moving at a more rapid velocity, and all of this can be confirmed and can be quantified and all that sort of thing, and I don't disagree that it's happening, but as an origin for or as an explanation for creation, here's the thing I don't get. I've also been reading about matter, and matter is anything that takes up space. It can be fluid, it can be solid, it can be gas. Matter can't be created, nor does it ever cease to exist. It just changes form. So if I'm following that, what I don't understand is, how can something that can't be created be here? How does that work? Doesn't it need to have been created in order to exist? And if that's the case, what or who essentially created it? And aren't we back to just the same old conversation then? And the Big Bang, it talks about this hot density gases, and there was an explosion and spread. How did that get there? Where did that come from? Who created that, or what created that? By virtue of the fact that matter does exist, it would seem to me that it had to have been created. Or where did it come from? How does it exist if it's not created? Which is sort of my same argument toward the existence of human beings and DNA as it is. As science has caught up, or has made strides at least in understanding the building blocks that represent life on this planet, the sheer complexity of the arrangement of those 4 amino acids suggests or speaks to a design, and that's not my theory. That's a theory that's been promoted in some cases by atheist scientists, or by lots of different people. At least there's an acceptance or an understanding of the possibility that this arrangement of molecules that's necessary for all life is so complex that it must have been created. And I guess I would forward the same argument towards matter. Simply the fact that it exists indicates that it must have come from somewhere. Where did it come from? I guess that's the question.